Okay. All right, Ford fans, I have got another beauty for you. Remember the Mercury I brought you the other day? It's not going to end there. I found another great Ford. This is a survivor car. It's a 1977 Ford LTD. And that beautiful baby blue. If you're a Carolina person, it's Carolina blue. If you're North Carolina folks. Now look at this car now. And the owner, Todd, he's right here with me. He's going to kind of tell us about this car as we come along here. How long have you owned this car, Todd?
I've only had this car about 6 months.
He's had it about 6 months. And look at this thing. This is a time capsule. Just unlock that door. We should have done that before we started filming. What are we thinking? We're a bunch of amateurs out here. But we're having fun. There we go. There we go. Look at this car, folks. Man, look at this thing. This is a time capsule. Look at the headliner. I think we got a little bit of a glare. We'll walk around the other side and we'll show you the other side. But it's like you stepped back in time. I'm expecting to see John Travolta any minute. Good Lord. Check this out. Okay, Todd says it's got it's original 42,000 mile car.
46,000.
46,000 mile car. Can I get that right? And he's got some original Ford wheels to go with it. Look at these lower quarter panels, man. Ain't that nice?
It does have a Flowmaster exhaust, but it's quiet, but it has been dualed out to
Okay.
dual.
Flowmaster exhaust has been put out the duals. And let's pop this trunk lid, Todd. Check out these bumpers. How nice these bumpers look. 1977 Ford LTD 2-door. Now he's got a stereo system in here, and he's got a neat little story about this stereo system. Go ahead and tell us that story, Todd.
Just went to the auto parts store the other day to pick up a new battery for it, and a kid was in there getting the battery tested, and couldn't afford the battery that he wanted to get for his car, so he went ahead and swapped out the stereo that I bought. 6-disc changer, couple of 10-inch subs in the box. And I went in and bought him a battery.
Ain't that something?
And made a good trade for about
You bought the kid a battery and got a stereo system. How about that, folks? Now, is it going to stay with the car? Or?
It will.
It will stay with the car.
Put it in.
All right, so you're going to get the car is for sale. You'll get a stereo system and a set of Ford wheels. And you're asking...
I'm asking $8,000 for it.
Asking $8,000 for the car. Folks, it's the original survivor car, 46,000 miles.
I definitely consider lower offers, but that's where I'm starting at.
Okay, he's asking 8. Look at here, folks. Oh my goodness, I love this car. All right, here we go. We got a little better lighting here. I'd have to put that stereo system in this thing. Oh my goodness, this would be a wonderful car. I'm gonna go ahead and have a seat. I'm falling in love. I bet this thing drives great. Woo, if I had $8 grand. Oh man. All right, let's pop the hood, Todd. Folks, I don't believe you're gonna find a nicer LTD in that price range. A 70s style car. There's the engine. Let's go ahead and fire it up, sir. Look at that. That is something else. 351 Windsor 2-barrel. Fired right up. No smoke. It says it's got the dual exhaust on it. That thing run. Ain't that something? You can definitely step back in time with this car. Get the shadow out of your way here, folks. The car is located in Lewisburg, North Carolina. just north and east of Raleigh. I want to thank Todd for letting us come out and look at his car. Look at the detail on this. There she goes. She kicked now. How good that engine runs, folks. Man, I really like this car. You get this car and take it to the car shows, there ain't gonna be another one. Okay, again, I want to thank Todd for letting us come out and look at this car. And by all means, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Comment, let us know what you think of this beauty. And I hope you enjoyed the video, folks. I'm gonna let you go here. We're gonna end the video here, so you guys have a good day, and I'll be bringing some more to you. You got to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. Thank you very much. All right, we're live. Okay, folks, we are riding in the blue LTD. Todd's gonna take me for a little ride along, and we're gonna go for a little trip here. Man, she takes the gas nice. Wow. These old bench seats, man, you don't see these anymore. This is the first ride along I've been on.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I like it, man.
It's a lot of hood out there.
There is a lot of hood out there. I like that, though. That's 70s, man. We're on our way to look at some vintage Volkswagen buses, I believe. Is that right?
Yeah, one bus and one 1960. They're both 1969. One's a Volkswagen Beetle and a Volkswagen bus.
Okay.
Off we go.
Yeah, she's kept picking up speed good. Oh yeah, the transmission good firm shift. I like it. Look how she holds the road, folks. This old country road now.
You don't see these old thin steering wheels anymore.
Yeah, I know, you don't.
They're just cool.
These old Fords have got like the Chryslers. They had a lot of power. They had a lot of power and no steering type system. Real soft steering on them. Oh yeah, man. '77 Ford LTD, folks. We just going on country roads in Lewisburg, North Carolina, just northeast of Raleigh. There's a scenic area out here. This is a nice country out here.
Doing 50 miles an hour don't feel like it.
No, it don't.
It feels like you're just barely.
It feels like running about 35 to 40.
Barely going down the road.
It's just effortless. This big V8 is just effortless. All right, folks, we're gonna end the video right here. A ride along in a 1977 Ford LTD Survivor. This car is for sale. He's asking $8 grand for it. Original paint, original interior. All right, folks, y'all take care. Let's thank Todd for letting us ride along with him in this car. And please subscribe to my channel and like my channel. Hit the comment. Let us know what you think. All right, folks, take care.